Hey everyone, welcome to another Java tutorial. In this video we are going to be going over switch statements in Java. And basically what the switch statement is, it's just a function that takes a value and it tests it against multiple cases. In a way it's kind of like multiple if statements, but if you understand what I mean, you'll see here in a second. And also, you may notice that we use some of the code from the previous video, but that is because we're still going with the concept of seasons. So you still see that we have our scanner up here and our variable from the user input and what is your favorite season as well. But let's start with our switch statement. To make a switch statement, we go with switch and then we put in the value that we want to test against. So I'm just going to put in season entered here. So we'll take whatever came from season entered, whatever the user entered, and that's going to be what we test with. So basically to do this, to make a case, which is kind of like one of our if statements, I'm just going to do case, and then we're going to put one for summer. Then we put a colon there, and then here is where we would write what we want this to do if season entered was the same as summer. So to demonstrate that, let's add a print statement here that will just say your favorite season is summer if whatever season entered is equal to summer. Let's the summer key. Just copy this for our next case. And after that, we add a break. And what a break does is it stops executing the code if it finds its answer. Otherwise, it would keep going on. So just to show how this works, let's add another case for winter. Let's change this to winter so we can see the difference. Right, and then we can run that. Ask what is your favorite season. Let's give it summer. It'll tell us that our favorite season is the summer. And we give it winter this time. And it says your favorite season is the winter. Of course, I should have had my break statement, but that was after it had found its last answer, the last case. We can also make cases for autumn and spring. Oops. And one more for spring. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the spring. And of course add our breaks, otherwise it will just keep going on. Results will get a bit funky. Space here. And if we test these out, favorite season is autumn. And one more time, we can do spring, and we'll get the spring. So, another thing is default. So, say that none of the values match, it should run the default code. And just put, you don't have favorite season. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And what is your favorite season? Say Bob. And now it says you don't have a favorite season, since it didn't match any of the cases that we put up here. And that's the switch statement.